I'm outside. That was where I just came from, and a lot of the amenities are on the first floor. But I'm gonna walk up here. This is just kind of cool looking. So I just want you to see this. This is a green space that you can use to do fitness classes or whatever. But I just like the build-up. This is just very cool. Look at this. Look at that fountain. So elegant. So anyway, I'm walking up to it. Just love the feel. Let's see it. This is just fun. Now I'm getting a little bit of workout just to get to this. This is great. Oh, look at this. It's so fun. Now, no dogs are allowed. I know this looks like it could be a great dog park, but no. Humans only. This is so fun. So just imagine just, especially on a sunny day, just being here, working out, getting fit, maybe having fitness classes. And what a great feel this is. And there's some pretty lights that surround this, and that's your garage, by the way. So very, very nice. Absolutely love this. And I'm gonna go over here, and then you can go just like, do you see her over there? She's walking her dog. So this would be a great place. You've got lake views and you can go walk. I think we're gonna walk that so you can see it.